morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 4.2. So let us start. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. They have given us 4 parts in question number 3. They have given us first is 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. We have to give the steps whatever the steps which we are using, we have to give that steps and solve the equation. So first step, we will transpose minus 2 to that side, so we will write transposing minus 2 to RHS, we get 3n is equal to 46. It will become plus 2. Therefore 3n is equal to 48. Now next step, we will transpose, this is multiplication, 3 is in multiplication, so we will transpose to RHS, so it will divide in RHS. We will write transposing 3. Now 3 in 16th table, it is 16 3s are 48. So I will write 3 1s are and 16 3s are. So it will be n is equal to 16. Now part B, first step will be transposing plus 7. It will go that side, so it will become 5m is equal to 17 as it is. This will go that side and become minus 7. We will write because transposing plus 7 to RHS. Therefore 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 will be 10. Now 5 which is in multiplication, it will go in RHS, so it will divide. We will write transposing 5 to RHS. Therefore m is equal to 5 1s are and 5 2s are. Moving to third part, part C is 20p divided by 3 is equal to 40. First step is transposing 3 to RHS, which is in division, so it will multiply. We will write transposing 3 to RHS. Therefore 20p is equal to 40 into 3. Let it be that like that only. Why I will tell you. Now 20 which is in multiplication with p, it will go in RHS and divide. So 40 into 3 we will remain as it is, divide by 20. I will write transposing 20 to RHS. 20 1s are and 20 2s are. This is the reason why I have told to keep as it is. Therefore p will become 2 into 3 6. Moving to part D. Part D is 3p divided by 10 is equal to 6. First step will be transposing 10 which is in division. It will go that side. So we will get 6 into 10. Therefore 3p is equal to 60. You will write transposing 10. Transposing 3 to that side, so we will get p is equal to 60 divided by 3. Again you will write transposing 3 to RHS. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, so it will be p is equal to 20. Now moving to fourth question, let me first write down. So it is question number 4 says solve the following equation. So we will write transposing 10 to RHS, we get 10 p is equal to 100 because it was in multiplication, so it will divide. 0 0 will cancel out, so P is equal to 10. Part B, 10P plus 10 is equal to 100. Transposing plus 10 to RHS, so we will get 100 minus 10. Therefore 10P is equal to 100. Therefore P is equal to 90. This is in multiplication, we will divide. Transposing 10 to RHS, so we will get P is equal to 9. Now moving to part C, let me write down here because of the space. C is equal to, sorry, P divided by 4 is equal to 5 is the question. Transposing 4, which is in division, so it will go in RHS and multiply, so we will get 5 4s are 20. P is equal to 20. Students, you are supposed to write the steps which you are taking, transposing, 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 likewise. Now ABC D part, minus P divided by 3 is equal to 5. Therefore P will remain as it is. This minus and 3 will go that side and multiply, so we will get minus 15. 5 3s are 15 and minus sign. Again I am telling you, write transposing, right? A B C D E. Part E says 3P divided by 4 is equal to 6. Therefore P 4, which is in multiplication, sorry, it is in division, so it will go that side and multiply, so we will get 3P is equal to 24. 3, which is in multiplication with P, it will go in RHS and divide, so we will get 3 1s and 3 8s. Therefore P is equal to 8. F part, F is 3S is equal to minus 9. 3, which is in multiplication, if it goes that side it will divide because transposing 3, so 3 1s are and 3 3s are, so we will get S is equal to minus 3. Hope you are understanding this question. Remaining 6 parts of this question I want you all to try yourself. I hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more and also go through the introductory lecture so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new lecture in new video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.